This is the Advanced Evaluator Board, or AEB. The AEB provides the power supply of between 26 and 31 volts DC via the BSI for one wheel sensor. The AEB can evaluate up to 2 axle counter sections if configured. Where the AEB does not evaluate sections, it is located towards the left on the Frauscher rack. These are highlighted in orange here. Where the AEB evaluates sections, it is located towards the right of the Frauscher rack. These are highlighted in green. The AEB receives analog information from the wheel sensor via the BSI and converts this into a digital wheel count. This is passed on to other AEBs if required. The AEB receives digital wheel count data via the CAN bus from other AEBs. This is the serial interface connection. It is used for the Advanced Service Display, or ASD. Diagnostic information can be obtained by connecting a Frauscher diagnostic laptop via the yellow lead here. The AEB is split into 2 channels, with the top half being channel 1 and the bottom half being channel 2. Power LED is coloured green and normally lit providing the 5 volt DC is being received from the PSC, power supply with crowbar, via the backplane. The System 1 and System 2 LEDs are red and they indicate the occupational dampening state of the wheel sensors of the RSR 123. If a wheel sensor system is not currently dampened, the LED will not be lit. If a wheel sensor system is dampened, the LED for the wheel sensor system will be lit steady. If a wheel sensor system exhibits a fault, the LED for the wheel sensor system will flash. The yellow LEDs, alpha 1 and alpha 2, are FMA or section LEDs. Alpha 1 is for FMA1 and alpha 2 is for FMA2. If FMA1 is clear, then alpha 1 will be unlit. If FMA1 is occupied, then alpha 1 will be lit steady. If FMA1 is faulty, then alpha 1 will be flashing. Alpha 2 performs the same functions for FMA2. The yellow LEDs, Bravo 1 and Bravo 2, are only lit when the AEB is waiting for or downloading its configuration. The AEB downloads its configuration when it is powered up. Normally, these LEDs should not be lit. The toggle switch for System 1 or System 2, when pushed to the right, will simulate a dampening of the wheel sensor. Care must be taken to avoid accidental operation of this switch because some sections will become occupied. Both toggle switches are operated together, firstly to the left and then to the right in the correct sequence, which will activate the electrical calibration of the wheel sensor. The V+ and ground connections are where the wheel sensor can be monitored by connection of a multimeter. The voltage measured at this point is measured over an internal 100 ohm resistor. Dividing the measured voltage reading by 100 will give a current reading. Therefore, a voltage reading of 500 millivolts, which is the normal, equates to a current of 5 milliamps. The AEB's ID is located on the tab as shown. This can be used to check the correct type when using the SMT8 to change this under a like-for-like replacement.